It's my feel-good breakfast show.
A very good morning, Expresso on SABC3. Now, multi-billionaire Warren Buffett once said, never depend on a single source of income. Make investment and create a second source, maybe even a third source. And that's why we're chatting to our financial planner and financial advisor, Grant van Zyl, on the most common mistakes people make when investing.
So we're sitting down once again with our certified financial planner, Grant van Zyl, talking about investments on your Feel Good Breakfast Show this morning. What should you know when it comes to investments so that you don't lose your hard-earned cash, but rather gain from it? I mean, that's the goal when it comes to investing, right?
Totally. You always want to make money, yeah.
Exactly. You always want to make money, man, so you can enjoy your life. That's what it's all about. So any last words of advice when it comes to investing from your side, professional side?
So my first thing that I always say to people, and it's quite a cliche, is that you do not want to invest in something that sounds too good to be true if you do not understand it. We get a lot of people that rock up at our doorstep and they say, listen, we've been promised these returns and we're not getting anything near that. So you want to stay away from that. Another thing is, there's another cliche where in the financial world where we say, it's time in the market that's going to benefit you, not trying to time the market. When you try to time the market, you're going to start making mistakes and you're going to enter in at funny levels. So you want to spend more time in the market than actually trying to time the market.
Okay. And for people maybe wanting to step into the investment market, I think when it comes to the word investment, people think a lot of money. Is there a specific kind of amount that they need to scrape together to invest, or is there different options then that you can look at?
Yeah, so certain service providers will have minimums, but I think the minimums will be on a monthly basis, a good 500 Rand a month.
Okay.
And then if you're wanting to do a lump sum, so a pot of money, it's most probably be around about 20,000 Rand once off, yeah.
Okay, so you can look at those different options.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, well, definitely I think we got a little bit wiser this morning. Any last words of advice to make sure that we don't make those mistakes and really gain from our investments?
Yeah, I think the best thing I can always say to everyone is when you're dealing with someone that's helping you set up investments, make sure that they are independent and they're not tied to a specific agent that you get caught up in specific products or a one-size-fit-all sort of solution. You want a tailor-made solution, but most importantly, take responsibility for the information. So make sure before you put your hard-earned money into any investment that you understand to a good extent of what's going on.
Yeah, and like you said, you don't need to understand it in full, you just need to get a good grasp of what's going on.
Completely. Because remember, it's a lot of money you're going to be putting away on a monthly basis. So get a good idea and let the professional hopefully look after you in the best way.
Exactly. Do your research. Grant, thank you very much for joining us this morning. Really appreciate it, man.
It was fun.
Lots of information. So beware of the fees involved. I think that's one of the most important points we spoke about this morning. Make sure you partner with the right professional. And remember that investing, it really is all about maximizing returns. So don't throw your money into the first thing that just comes your way. If it's too good to be true, it probably is.